Welcome, the lost, the bored, and the random of the internet. Hi, I'm Silsey, and hopefully I can make your day a little better. And if you'd like to make my day better, you can like, subscribe, or comment below. Today I will be opening my October IPSY bag with my friend Seti Cat, who is on the line.
Maybe.
She's here. As I try on makeup, for like the 10th time now. It's going better. Maybe not.
Yeah, I was gonna say IPSY still got you on the hook.
Yes, they do. And spoiler, I bought an add-on.
Oh no. You were suckered.
I failed. You'll understand why. You'll understand why when we get there. Are we gonna open this? Here we go. I gotta figure out which way the camera goes.
Is that a spooky bag?
It is a spooky bag. It is little vampire lips. I mean, teeth on lips.
That's a skinny manatee surrounded by cheeseburgers.
Wait, I gotta see that. I kind of see the manatee. I don't see the cheeseburgers.
I'm just hungry, that's all.
It's a little lipstick, a little green lipstick.
That's a box cutter. That's not a lipstick. That's a little box cutter.
Outside of the bag, this is my add-on. Oh, you know what? It looked a lot bigger in the picture. And it's a #1 brush.
What does that even mean, it's a #1 brush?
I don't know, because they have numbers.
But they correspond to something, right?
Yeah. I don't know. I got it because it, to do this stuff with.
The blush?
Blush, yeah. Foreshadowing. We'll remove
Cheek
that
shadowing.
Alright, so let's sneak peek.
No, sneak peek. You gotta blur it. Blur it.
First we have so this is themed Pretty Wicked. There you go, Pretty Wicked. And let's see what we got. First item. I don't remember the other items I got. We have a tiny little tub, Tatcha, the dewy skin cream, replenishing Japanese purple rice for dry skin.
Do you have oily skin?
I don't think so.
There you go. So we do an allergy test first, right? You don't just slather it all over our face.
So I'm gonna put a little. That's probably smart. I'm gonna say. I mean, that was probably a lot. I probably put too much on.
Back of your hand, dewy.
Oily.
Oily, yes.
It smells like perfume. That's all I can say.
So with IPSY, are you picking what they're putting in there? Or you just surprise me with some dewy shit?
I picked this one because everybody on Reddit said to pick this one. I picked it because it's like a base. So if I put moisturizing on my face, then the powder stuff will stick to my face versus because I don't have a foundation.
I don't feel like you should be living your life by Reddit's rules.
Reddit's amazing. There wasn't anything else that was sparking my interest, so that's the one I chose. Next thing, we have
sugar.
Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm in Mojito Sugar. That's cute.
I mean, it's a box.
No, the thingy is cute. It's got like little mojito drinks on it.
Okay. We doing another allergy test?
It doesn't come out green though. I mean, I shouldn't be surprised about that, but that went out pretty nice. I mean, so far I've never had skin allergies to anything, I don't think, so.
Okay. What does that one smell like? No!
I can smell like the tiniest bit of mint.
Okay, you should put it on your lips.
Now?
Yeah, for a taste test.
Oh, I'm supposed to taste it?
It's going on your lips. You're gonna taste it inadvertently as it slides. There you go, see? Is there any taste to that?
It tastes waxy and like a little tingly. Both of those are not tastes. Those are like feels.
So it's that minty menthol?
Yeah, probably.
So it's like smearing a cool on your lips?
Yeah, it's feeling tingly cool. Not like a lot, but like a little bit. We got something in bubble wrap.
A piece of salmon.
That's in my HelloFresh box. Ooh, almost threw that across the room. We've got Hipdot Light Beam.
That blush.
This is a highlighter. This is called Light Beam.
You can do that little tip of the nose nonsense.
I watched a YouTube video, and this one guy said, "Don't do that, because then you just got like a beacon on the end of your nose." He said to go down your nose here, and that way just when you turn, it shines.
You want to go across the tip of your nose, and you want to have put on little fake makeup freckles And done a blush line right across the bridge of your nose so you look like a fawn. Make sure you put that dewy crap on and...
Okay, so then we have foil.
More packaging.
More packaging. Okay, now we've got Realher Not Your Average Power Wear.
Is it a completely average blush color?
It is kind of dark. That looks a lot brighter than what it looks like in person. It's kind of mauve-y.
Get some on your skin so we can see it.
Oh yeah, I didn't even... My favorite part is the swatches, and I always forget to do them. So... I mean... Oh my god, that looks pink as hell.
The kind of... Oh.
It's like pink.
Yeah.
It doesn't look that pink, and it looks more like mauve colored in the tray, but that is pink. We're gonna do
that highlighter on your nose.
Just not on my nose yet. Not yet.
On your nose. Do it.
No.
Ooh. Okay.
It's real.
How is that lighter than your
flesh? Skin? It's because it's like what do you call it? Like shines out. Like look at my finger.
It's just crushed alabaster. I mean,
it looks more gold in the tray. Oh yes, this is the final thing.
Is that concealer?
It is eye primer.
Oh god. As if you don't put enough crap on your eyes.
I'm really excited about this because I've been using a e.l.f. eye primer, and now I get to try a different one to see if it works better. And I didn't get any eyeshadow, so we're just going to do some crazy eyeshadow look.
You have enough eyeshadow.
I know, we're going to do a crazy eyeshadow look because I'm not going anywhere today. Like I care. This is why I bought this brush, because I got a blush and a highlighter, and I don't have any way to apply them. So I got a $3 brush.
Was that your only add-on?
This time?
Oh no. Is that foreshadowing for November?
It's not even an add-on for November.
Oh no.
It was a pop-up sale.
Oh god.
Try on portion. If you're still
Thanks
here.
for making it this far in the video.
If you made it this far, say Bambi nose, because that's what we're gonna go for. It's gonna be great. So I'm gonna do this moisturizer. Can I just put it on my cheeks? Do I have to put it anywhere else?
What is dry for you?
I don't know. I don't do anything to my skin at all. Well, now I do.
Yeah, I was gonna say, do you get like flakiness between your eyebrows or any of that? So like you just have well moisturized.
Well, oh god, this is like already making me look oily and sweaty. I'm sure this is gonna go well. Okay, that's all I'm putting on.
You had a glowy look after your workout, and you're back with a PSL.
PSL?
Pumpkin spice latte.
Oh, I know what hip things are.
You're doing IPSY. You might as well get some other basic stuff out of the way. Get some Ugg boots on.
I have a crop top on. You can't see that it's a crop top, but it's a crop top.
All right. So you gotta tell me what is your blush strategy?
All right. I have watched 3 YouTube videos about how to apply blush. This is what I learned. One girl said, don't do it on the apple of your cheek because you'll look like a clown. The other girl said, like to your lip and up, that's bronzer, and then above that is blush, and then above that is highlighter. The other guy I watched was just highlighter, and he said, don't put it on the end of your nose because you're gonna look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and to apply it like down the bridge of your nose. That's my prior experience with blush, is those 3 YouTube videos. I'm sure this will go well.
So Mary Kay's advice from the late 90s was find the apples of your cheeks and go directly under them to your ear. You highlight the bottom portion of your cheek to thin your face out.
I don't think I'm gonna go with Mary Kay. I'm gonna start like right here and like go back and forth. They said go up. Like I can tell a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You have a small rash.
Go hard or go home, right?
Maybe
that wasn't the best. I'm not gonna say that again.
No, yeah. I feel like you going hard with blush is all anyone needs to know. See, sober, go hard. I need you to get enough makeup that we can do like a drag queen contouring. I'll come over for
like,
that. Like,
okay.
I'll show up and we can do nonsense that way. And then you can get a drag queen to comment on your video and call us both trash.
Yes. I think it's okay. I
No,
think
it's fine.
Yeah, we'll just do a little bit more.
Yeah, okay. And then on the other side, so. And now a little more dewiness.
Wait, where's...
And then a little more blush.
No!
No, see, that's not the right direction. Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. I mean, that cheek is now like... Or that cheek is like super shiny now. And I think it's the dewy stuff. So, like, we're going for highlighter.
We going across the apples? Or are we going just down your nose?
We're going above the blush. Oh,
Okay.
that was probably not the place to start.
Yeah, no, do it. Shift at the lighthouse starts in an hour. Get it on there.
As if the little apples on my cheek are... Like, see, that's the thing is, like, I am already reflective. It's not reflective.
I was gonna say you already have, like, the cherub cheek. Like, you have cheekbone.
Do I? Because I don't know where they are.
Smile. Okay, you got cheeks.
I got cheeks.
Then,
I got cheeks, but where's the
then,
bone?
Right
Is this the bone?
Well,
That's like
keep
your eye
poking
socket.
yourself in the eye and you won't even know, so don't worry about it.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna go down. Well, this guy applied it with his finger. Let's effing do this, right? Oh, with
Streak it. Unibrow to the tip.
and we'll go
Right on the tip. like a bunny. Wiggle your nose. Happy Halloween.
and you gotta get. You're supposed to do it in the cupid's bow.
Right there. Yeah. So you got sweaty upper lip. Got it. Oh, that is.
This is so burnt.
Go ahead, put some crusties down your mouth too. Just
Maybe it looks better if you wear a foundation and you bronze your face so that it actually has like darkness and then the brightness looks like it's supposed to. We're done with that. Oh, now we get to do the eye primer.
so tell me again what eye primer does.
It makes the eyeshadow stick.
Okay.
And like makes it more vibrant. Oh, I love when it tears off the label.
How will you know it's ethically sourced and not tested on rabbits?
We're moving closer. You know what? I'm wondering if I should do this in a mirror because it's like backwards.
No, I don't think so at all. Smooshy, smooshy, smooshy. There you go. I need to see you do the glue stick on your eyebrows and then the powder over it for the drag eyebrow stuff. That needs to happen.
Like to the big eyebrows? Where
Just
is my eyeball?
when you see cosplay and drag makeup doing like the cool different eyebrows, I just want to see you do that.
You just want me to do like cosplay drag makeup.
Yes, that is correct.
Should I put a little bit under my eyes like a concealer?
Is that what it's for?
I read somebody said that they did that.
Let's go for it.
In the camera?
Very, very dewy. So is there really no pigment on that, or are you seeing a difference? It's not showing up on the camera.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. I don't know because the camera is not really showing anything. So I wonder what it looks like. Ready for my reaction and for realsies? It's lighter. It is lighter.
Okay.
I think I'm going to go for that 80s look that I did the other day, if I can remember how to do it. All right. So this is the Revolution Ultraviolet palette. And this is Peaceful, which I really like. It's like a purpley color. Oh, I learned a trick for hooded eye. Oh, shit, no, I'm going to go do this with a mirror. This ain't happening. So I learned for hooded eyes that you're supposed to like not go into the crease. You're supposed to go like just right above the crease. Did I mess it up already? Possibly. That's fine.
It's above the crease. You're following your own instructions.
Okay, now I have to do this eye.
Like watching Mumbo hold down control with his thumb.
Yeah, I don't know how people do their other eye. Okay, so I think this, oh shit, this is a lot. I think this primer is making it like patchier. Maybe because I didn't like, are you supposed to let it dry? All right, now I'm going to do this blue color on this little Revolution palette called Forever Dynamic. And I don't have the names of these colors because it came on a little plastic sheet that went over the thing. And
you lost that already?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Ooh, that is...
Okay. So I think this primer is doing a lot more for the color
than you need it to?
Than my previous primer did. Like, just, can we buff that out?
What are you saying about where you put blush to look like a clown? Why don't you go back and do that?
I think it's supposed, like, I think I'm going for what's called a smoky eye. And
Okay,
I don't think you're supposed to have, like, a direct line in between the smoky and the not smoky. But I have a direct line down. I'm going for, cyber. Oh, God, that's, no. Get that blue off. Now it's just a muddy mess. Okay. All right, we're going to give up. There we go. Okay. Well, with that part, we're going to give up with that part. And then I'm going to try to do a, like, little highlight under my brow because...
Oh, all right.
Why not? I don't know why I stopped using the mirror for this, like, delicate part.
No, that's fine. It won't make a difference.
And it'd probably help if I also had, like, a eyebrow...
Pencil? Yeah.
Something to make my eyebrows darker. But I don't. Maybe next month. Okay, we're going for this Lush...
Don't you have that coppery eyeshadow? You can just throw some eyeshadow on your eyebrows.
Like coppery eyeshadow? No. Oh, it's fine. We're going for a look today.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not going to open my mouth like a weirdo because it doesn't actually do anything.
And yet...
It's okay.
You know when you go to like a Circle K and they've got the Slurpee and it's like a red icy and then like the blue raspberry and they're just spinning on the counter? Like, maybe one has, like, an out-of-order sign on it. But you're still like, that still looks good. It looks different, but it looks good. And then you're like, I think I'll just have a coffee. I feel like this is... I don't know why that came to mind. It just came to mind for some reason. What color are you using?
I'm using neon blue glitter.
Okay. Okay.
That's not the color name. I don't know what the color name is. All right. It's so hard to do my other eye.
Oh, no, if you don't do that, if you just sort of scrunch your face up a little bit. There you go. And look down a little bit. And then open your eyes real wide. You can barely see the eyeshadows. No. So you gotta put your eyebrows back down. There you go.
Yeah,
like,
so
just looking... Yeah, no, see, as soon as you start doing all that, it's a little much, but...
Do you think I scare people in public? They're like...
No, see, if you just look normally, it looks fine.
Or my subtle cat eye, or wing. I think they're called wings. So this is my second practice at a subtle wing.
Subtle with that eyeshadow is the plan. Wing. So draw it all the way out to your earlobe for me. And then the second part just goes up to your temple. If you make it big enough, it'll cover more of the eyeshadow.
Okay. Subtle? Or...
I mean, that's not the S word I would use.
Okay, I'm not gonna say anything to that. Alright, this is the hard eye. So, this is the eye that never, oh, sorry. Beep. Are you just, like, waiting for me to stab myself in the eye?
Yes. I think at this point, even I'm holding my breath.
Does that look dumb?
I think we're past the point of judging.
And last but not least, mascara. I think I'm getting better at this. That famous last words. You know what? I've been doing really good on my mascara, and then I just had to go say something. I just had to say something, and now I got a row of lashes beneath my row of lashes. Like, nobody is gonna watch this anyway. It's fine.
No, I mean, I feel like this is one of these, like, trust the process.
Yeah.
Or just wait until it's completely done, and...
I'm just gonna put this in the corner of my eyes. Just to complete the look, and I think I just smudged the mascara. Like, more. Why not? Let's keep going. Oh, God. Right in the eyeball. Okay.
I watched that train wreck happen, and...
Thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you made it to the end of the video, please comment below on what you think of my fantastic eyeshadow look. I will take all critiques and criticism and tips, if you want to be nicer about it. Thank you for joining us, all of you lost, bored, and random internet people. See you next time.
Bye!
Bye!